Second, the GSTR 3B return is meant for availing of input tax credit and not claiming of input tax credit. And उस पीरियड में 17-18 and 18-19 पीरियड में GSTR 3B was not a return. The return meant for payment of tax was GSTR 3. बाद में आपने अक्टूबर 2019 में एक रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव अमेंडमेंट करके आपने कहा कि GSTR 3B may be treated as return GSTR 3, which is not correct as per constitution. Plus GSTR 3B का एक inherent limitation है कि you cannot file that return without payment of tax. If I am having shortage of fund, I cannot file that return. Therefore, I am barred from availing the input tax credit also, which is wrong. तीसरा, उन्होंने कहा कि there is already a precedent set by earlier judgment of the court. In absence of enabling mechanism, आप एक tax payer को input tax credit की benefit से prejudice नहीं कर सकते. इसीलिए ये input tax credit का claim सही है. हाई कोर्ट ने ये सारे चीजों को सुन के कहा कि ये बहुत genuine practical difficulty को explain किया है tax payer ने, and इसका input tax credit कहीं सही है, so ये demand order को quash किया जाता है.